My dad, Steve MacLellan, is more than just a dad. He's an amazing husband, a good neighbor, and to us, he's kind of a goofball. He does his best to make us happy and laugh a lot. But what really makes him special is how much he cares about other people. You see, he used to be an engineer, but now he's known as the financial engineer. He's a business owner, an author, and even a public speaker. Dad always says it's not just about giving financial advice. It's about helping people grow, keep what they've earned, and live their best lives without giving up what's important to them. He has an incredible team of experts to help entrepreneurs, business leaders, and people who want to improve our communities. They're all about supporting those who are dedicated to making a real impact. And that's who my dad is, a guy who's all about family, helping others, and making the world a better place. Through his financial planning, he's not just building wealth, he's building a better future for everyone he works with. We're proud of him and the difference he's making. Are you ready to make a difference?